Hi again everyone, Lindsay from Diamonds Cameras, right here in Adelaide. Just with a bit of an update and some exciting news. Thank you DJI, they have just sent me over my Mavic Air 2. Let's have a look at what's in the box. So because I got the Fly More combo kit, the first thing it comes with is obviously this lovely bag. Everything packs away into this. So this has the controller inside it, it has the drone itself of course inside it, and there's room for your other accessories as well. So it's fantastic in that sense. It's almost the same size as the Mavic Air, which I expected to be a little bit bigger physically out of the box. Where it does get a little bit bigger, of course, is once you've unfolded it and getting it ready to fly. So now it's probably sitting a little bit closer to the Mavic 2, halfway between, if you like, the original Mavic Air and the Mavic 2. So a little bit physically larger. Obvious reasons for that, of course. So we're getting a 48 megapixel image out of this thing now with a 1/2-inch sensor, which is sensational. Again, very much sitting right between the Pro models and the Air model that it replaces. The controller, of course, is right here. Obviously, it comes with thumb sticks to put into here, but I've literally just unboxed this for you guys. This is a little bit larger than the original Air controller was. And your phone now goes in the top rather than underneath in the bottom, which I'm very much looking forward to because I'm far more used to having it underneath, I've got to say. Once again, with it being the Fly More combo kit, it obviously comes with a battery mounted on the drone itself and 2 more. So the Fly More combo gives you 3 batteries in total. I obviously have to also put on a set of propellers on this drone. And again, because it's the Fly More combo, I have 2 complete extra sets of propellers as well. So 3 sets of propellers in total. I'm very excited about the idea that it does 4K at 60 frames a second, which is outperforming drones that technically sit above it, where the best you could hope for is 4K 30. And we're also getting 120 frames at high definition, which I'm very excited about as well. Normal mode, sports mode, tripod mode. So all these things are accessible, of course, from the controller. And the layout on the controller looks incredibly straightforward. So I'm very much expecting, once I've done my due diligence and set it up and calibrated it, etc., I'm very much expecting to be able to just pick it up and take flight and get going. Speaking of which, we're way past 30 minutes flight time for each battery now, which is absolutely terrific. The other thing, of course, that comes with your combo is the charging hub. So you can be charging all 3 batteries simultaneously. So when I take it out later today to take the footage that I'll share with you, I'll have 90 minutes plus flight time that I can be recording stills and video that I'll obviously share with you in the very, very near future. So all in all, very, very exciting. A huge upgrade from the Mavic Air, I have to say. It genuinely is taking us halfway toward a Mavic 2 Pro, but in a much, much smaller form. So it's all very, very exciting talking about it like that. Available right now for pre-order at diamondscamera.com.au. So jump on the website or give these guys a call and they'll be more than happy to take you through those steps. And I'll see you very soon with some actual footage.